guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sai Lakshmi Mukesh. I hope you're all doing great and up for this new year Eve 2024. And if you're new to my channel, I started this YouTube channel to share beauty and fashion kind of content. But lately, with the wedding phase of my life, I filled up my channel with more lifestyle vlogs and what's happening in my life kind of vlogs. But I'm completely out of that phase now and back to what I am supposed to share, not just vlogs, but along with the beauty and fashion content and all other interesting stuff that I can try to bring it to you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, what's about this video is you have already read it in the thumbnail, right? Yeah, so let's get ready for this new year Eve 2024 with me. So guys, I'll try to keep this video as much as short and crisp as possible, and yeah, so let's start the video. So guys, I've washed my face and just applied the lip balm, and as a first step I'm applying this moisturizer from GRWM ceramides. So ceramides are very good for skin in locking the moisturizer and maintaining that young and radiant glow in the skin. And next, since it is newer makeup, so I want to keep my skin little dewy and radiant. So for that I'm using this Lakme Lumi Cream Moisturizer with highlighter. Since already I have applied the moisturizer, I'm taking very small portion of this and applying it all over my face. So this is how it looks in pink tint, but gives you a very radiant skin. And now I'm using the foundation from LA Girl. I'm taking just 3 drops. So now let me set this up with the compact from Health and Glow. So ఈ కాంపాక్ట్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే లైక్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద క్రీమీ ఫౌండేషన్ దాట్ వీ అప్లై సెటిల్ డౌన్ అయ్యి స్కిన్ మీద ఫిక్స్ అయ్యేటట్టు చేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో యా, విత్ దిస్ వీఆర్ డన్ విత్ ద బేస్ మేకప్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటే లెట్స్ డూ ద ఐ మేకప్ ఫస్ట్ అనమాట. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ దిస్ ఐబ్రో పెన్సిల్ ఫ్రమ్ కలబార్, సో ఇన్ ద షేడ్ ఆఫ్ బ్రౌన్. సో యాక్చువల్లీ బ్రౌన్ ఏంటంటే చాలా డీసెంట్ లుక్ ఇస్తుంది అనమాట. యాక్చువల్లీ బ్లాక్ మేక్స్ more dramatic, where brown looks very decent and elegant. So నాకు అంత heavy అక్కర్లేదు కాబట్టి I'm going with this brown shade, and with this kind of spoolie I'll just brush my hair so it gives a decent shape. And now it's all about the eyeshadow. So eyeshadows actually we try to match in the shade of the dress that we wear, right? So I have these 2 palettes from Makeup Revolution. Na outfit aithe it's in the color of pink and black mix anamata. So I want to use this pink shade, which might be little bright, but yeah, makeup antene it's like experimenting with colors and creams anamata. So I love to play with the colors. So let's see how this pink looks. Wow, this might look good and more like a stunning, because this doesn't feel odd, but this pink is really elevating my eyeshadow look, right? Can you observe the difference? This is the plain one and this is the eyeshadow one. And to add the shimmery look, I'll go with this in gold. I want to go with this shade of gold shimmery because it's night party and we'll have all lights focused on us. So yeah, that sparkly dangly look is must. I'm done with my eyeshadows, and now let's apply the eyeliner. To line my eyes, I want to go with this sketch eyeliner from Nika, and I want to create a winged eye look like cat eye. So let's try how will this come. To define more shapes, I'm adjusting it with the liquid eyeliner. Liquid is more easy in creating wings than sketch, but sketch will look much brighter. Yeah, this is how I want to create a look, and yeah, exactly I got the same. I don't want to apply much of the mascara, but to give that eyelashes little volume, I'm lightly applying this. And now comes to the shaping of the face. Na face round face kabatti I want to define it more sleek, so this palette is really helpful to me. It has highlighter and all types of concealer and contour. So this is from Qmid and it's very affordable. I've found it in Amazon. So I'm taking this dark shade of brown to contour my cheeks. I'm done with the contour, and to blush my cheeks, I'm using this peachy shade from Miss Claire. I really love this blush. And now is the highlighter part. So this highlighter is really nice. So with the help of fingers, already my face is glowing because we have that Lakme illuminating highlighter, right? So we're done with highlighter, blushing and contouring as well. So now let's do the lip shade. First thing, I want to line my lips with this lip liner. I don't know how you can feel my face in the camera, but it's really looking stunning on real. As I've already mentioned, my dress is in the shade of pink and black, so I want to go very subtle lip color in the shade of pink. So I've recently bought the lip. This lipstick is from the Chamber and it's the recent one that I bought from Lulu Mall. I'll be posting the Lulu Mall vlog in next couple of days. So it's really subtle and supple on lips. So with this we are done with our makeup. So let me just spray this makeup spray all over my face so my makeup will just sit. So this is how the final look turned into after I changed my dress. I want to wear something like this one piece which is very comfortable and very simple as possible. So I've added my earrings as very simple, and also this is my favorite neck piece. So with this, I hope you like this video. So Miki video nachite matram please like cheyandi, share cheyandi, comment cheyandi and subscribe cheyadam matram asalu marchipokandi, and also hit the bell icon beside the subscribe, because meera bell icon hit chesinappude నేను further గా మన videos post చేస్తే you will get the notifications automatically, so that you'll not miss my any videos. After a long time, I'm very happy to be connected with you all guys, and I want this community to grow as big as possible. And I wish you very happy and prosperous new year 2024 to all of my YouTube family. And yeah, with this I'm signing off, and until my next video, you know what you have to do, right? Please stay tuned to my channel and keep smiling.